What's poppin', Poke Peeps? This is Poke Rican here, and today we're going to have a pack art pack battle. This time's going to be against the Galarian birds. Which one of these three amazing birds are going to have the best pulls? Let's find out on today's video. Now, we're going to be using the Poke Rican point system that's going to be on screen right now. And we're just going to start it off with Articuno, Galarian Articuno. Let's start in order. Okay, so yeah, let's just jump into this. Open up some packs, have some fun. Okay, let's see what we got here. Hold up. Okay, I think there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The lighting a little bit better. Okay. Fire Energy, Guido and Training Day, Cast Form, Quillfish doing a Super Saiyan thing, Ralts just chilling there, Power Cross, Spiral Energy, Peony, Lido, a reverse Karen's Conviction, and a Serena. That's what we got. Okay. Not a good start. Not a good start. But that could all change. That could all change with this pack. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Metal Energy. We got Venipede, Snover, Galarian Slowpoke. I just love that artwork. Crabrawler, Snorunt, Old Cemetery, Steamy, Dyna Tree Hill. That is a reverse rare, so there's a point on the board for Galarian Articuno, Zangoose, and Ampharos. Okay. 1 point for Galarian Articuno. Let's see if we can get better than that. There we go. Code card. Fire Energy, Weedle, Clobopus, Mareep, Ralts, Cast Form Rainy Form, Dynatree Hill, Spiral Energy, Peony, Galarian Porygon, and Galarian Porygon 2, okay, and whoa! We got a gold energy card. Gold is gold, my friend. I don't care what people say. Gold is still gold. Wow. Wow, that is great. Freaking awesome, man. Look at all that shine. And I don't have my sleeves. Just give me 1 second here. I'm just gonna leave this right here until I find the sleeves. Don't go anywhere. And we're back with the sleeves. Alright. Wow. Gold Psychic Energy. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. We've been having a dry spell recently, so this is a good card to get. Well, that's gonna be tough to beat. Wow, from 0 to 1st. That was quick. Let's see if there's an extra point here on the board for Galarian Articuno blister packs. And this pack art pack battle. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we got a Psychic Energy. That is awesome. Cast Form, Quillfish, Ralts, Heracross, Cast Form Sunny Form, Kakuna, Karen's Conviction, Echoing Horn, Dynatree Hill, Reverse, and oh, we got a Holo Gengar. Wow, that's nice. Look at that. That's good. Well, that was pretty awesome. Now we're going for Galarian Zapdos. Let's see what we get. I really like the Roadrunner thing when it came to Galarian Zapdos. I really did like it. I like it more than the other two. So basically, here's my favorite bird, I guess you could say. Oh well, hold up. Here's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it just made sense, though. Okay. Lightning Energy. Cast Form. Shuppet. Rockruff. Katina. Steel. Lydon. Seabold. Whirlipede. A Reverse Agatha. We have that full art. And regular rare Zangoose. Okay. Okay. Well, who knows, right? Okay. So, let me see this first. There we go. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Grass Energy. Deerling. Lapras. Swirlix. Rockruff. Mareep. Haunter. Clara. Celio. A Venipede Reverse. And Volcarona. Okay. That's nice. It would have been good if it would have been like a V card or something. I would have definitely appreciated that. Come on, Galarian Zapdos, don't fail me now, man. Okay. Oh. Okay. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got Metal Energy, Crabrawler, Galarian Slowpoke, Snover, Venipede, Snorunt, Path to the Peak, a Flaffy, which is way too happy, Galarian Chestplate, Weeding Gloves, and Doug Trio. Okay. I don't think there's any way that Galarian Zapdos can win. Even if he got like a gold or a rainbow or something, he'd still lose. Because that's how the point system works. So, here's to hoping for something good. No. Ah! There you go. They told me to put the finger on it. I didn't know that there were like special bots and stuff. I mean, I just don't know a lot about this type of things. I'm new. I'm pretty new to all this stuff. Psychic Energy, Crabrawler, Snowbra, Ladybug, Sabo, Larvesta, Lucky Energy, Caitlyn, Peony, that is a Reverse Coughing, and a Bayonet. So I think that we didn't get any points. We didn't get any points. Galarian Zapdos didn't get any points. I still love you, bird, but man, you done me dirty, bro. Okay, well, moving on to the Galarian Moltres. Cool bird, cool looking bird. Let's see what we can get from these 4 packs. Work with me, bro. There we go. Okay. Let me check this out first. Okay. I think I got it. Hua! There we go. Haha! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm trying my best here, guys. Spheal, Venipede, Furfrou, Galarian Farfetch'd, Sneasel, Avery, Weeding Gloves, Justified Gloves, Too Many Gloves. Is that a reverse rare? It's a reverse rare! Okay, so 1 point on the board, and there we go! Sarah Aura V. It's all shiny. Okay, alright. That's at least some points. Pretty good. Okay. Galarian Zapdos pack. Well, it's in the Moltres thing, so. Okay, hold on. It's not gonna. Okay. Ah! Wah! Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fighting Energy, Golett, Ladybug, Gas Form again, Galarian Yamask, Curlia. Is it working now? Okay, it's definitely better now. Okay. More gloves, now a helmet, a lot of accessories. Karen's Conviction Reverse, and alright, we got a Holo Enteleon. Not too shabby. Doing pretty good. Galarian Moltres. Let's see. Right now, if you get a gold, rainbow, or an alternate art, you win. Because that's way more points. Will you win? There's only 2 packs left. And I think they're going like everywhere, so. Okay. Just slowly. Oh, there we go. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we got Lightning Energy, Ladybug, Ghastly, Rockruff, Inkay, Larvesta, Fog Crystal, Agatha, Raboot, Chillin', a Golett, and a Bayonet. Okay. Last chance if you want to win, bro. Last chance. And hopefully... I don't know why. It's not focusing. Okay, now it's focusing. Okay. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Good cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops. Last shot. Come on, focus, man. There we go. Throw it. Oh, there he goes again. Why, bro? Okay. Sobble. Dude, come on, man. Por qué? There it goes. Okay. Well, I don't really like this fuzzy stuff. I'll be right. Okay, hopefully now we won't have any more problems for the last few cards. We got Porygon, Welcoming Lantern, Fire Resistant Gloves, Light On. Oh, this is a Weezing. It's a regular rare Weezing. I did it wrong. But that's pretty cool though. I needed that Weezing. So yeah, I think obviously Galarian Articuno won that competition. That was pretty cool. I think these are the last Chilling Rain packs that I'm going to do. And I'll probably show you the binder in just a few seconds, so you can see like what I've done with it, and you can see all the progress. So let's go on to that. All right, so this is the binder. This is going to be the binder for a while. Let me see if I can. Haha! I did it. Okay. This is the first page. Okay, and then I just throw this one out. There we go. Not bad. Okay. There's a few other pages. At the beginning of our openings, I got that Blaziken V Max. That's not too bad. There we go. There's this Ice Rider Calyrex V. The Zera Aura. That one's a pretty good pull. Obviously, there's a lot of holes in this binder. We got that Shadow Rider over there. And the Shadow Rider V Max. We also got the Zapdos V. Another Sandaconda. Too many Sandacondas, guys. Too many Sandacondas. Yeah. I got that Metagross V Max. Also at the beginning, that Liepard V. Oh, we got that Tornadus over there. Not too bad. These are all the trainers. Oh, that alternate art. Best pull, definitely best pull. Ice Rider Calyrex V alternate art. It is freaking amazing. And the full art Galarian Articuno. It's another pretty empty page, but we got that Metagross and Agatha. And yeah, pretty much a bunch of blank pages. And we have two gold cards. We got the Welcoming Lantern and we got the Psychic Energy. These are the energies for the set. I like to collect them. And I always like to put the holo rares in the back. I don't know why, it just reminds me of the old times, you know? Like from the beginning, from the base set. Yeah. And then these are the ones that are supposed to be, well, they're holo versions, but they end up being regular, rare, non-holo versions when you get them in pre-release packs or in theme decks and stuff like that. I always like to keep these different rarities separate and in the back as well. So that was pretty much it. That's what it's going to be for now. And hopefully we'll do some new pack opening soon. Laters.